One of the most common misconceptions in physics is that space is empty. There is nothing in it, which is not true. Space is just a very low pressure and low density environment, but it is not empty. For comparison, 1 centimeter cube of air around us contains about 10 billion particles or atoms, whereas in the interstellar space, the same 1 cubic centimeter contains about 1 atom. 1. It's not 0 and does not mean absent. So what is actually out there? It's not only atoms. There is interstellar dust. There are tiny grains of silicate and carbon that reddens the light of distant stars before it reaches us. There is solar wind, which is streaming past the Earth at about 400 kilometers a second. There are hundreds of leftover photons from Big Bang, which are passing through every cubic centimeter everywhere right now. And then we have the muons, and that's the most fascinating. These are particles that should not survive the trip, but they do. So these cosmic rays, they slam into our upper atmosphere and they create muons, right, which is about 15 kilometers up. A muon should live for 2.2 microseconds only. Even moving at nearly the speed of light, it should only cover about 660 meters before it decays. But it should never reach the ground, but it does. Covers about 15 kilometers. And the reason is Einstein's relativity. Because muon is traveling at such a large speed, it experiences one of the 3 effects of relativity, which is time dilation. And the reaching of muon on Earth is a proof that Einstein's theory of relativity was absolutely correct. Space is not empty. Space does not mean vacuum. There are particles in space, although very less, but space is a very low density, low pressure environment, but it is not empty. There is a lot out there.